I buy the cameras to use them, and they usually get beat to shit. Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm here in my home office, man cave studio / record playing place where I hang out a lot. Welcome. This is like a test run for my Tales of the Photo Monkey podcast. I got a new camera. I ordered a Nikon Z6 Mark III from Nikon the other day because they were having a really good sale on refurbished models. And I wanted to buy it locally at Service Photo, but it was like an extra $250 off for a refurb. And, every penny counts. I don't mind spending a few extra bucks at a local, local place like Service because they're great. Even if it was like $50 or maybe 100. But for $250, that's like a good chunk of the tax. So I'm finally getting around to opening it. I got it Friday, but I really haven't opened it up yet. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, because it's a refurb, it doesn't come in the fancy Nikon box with all the good graphics and stuff. But that's okay, because I buy the cameras to use them, and they usually get beat to shit. So, care of it. It's not that I try. It's just you're working, and it's a tool, and it gets banged around. I don't know. It's like I can't. I'm just hustling. So you don't even get the fancy carton like packaging, like where everything's all set aside. This is just in a box and wrapped up. Looks like it's wrapped up real well. I hope it's like almost new. I mean, here's a battery, some paperwork. I don't know. With refurb, who knows? I don't know. Like someone must have returned it for something, but hopefully it wasn't something that I don't know. Hopefully it was something that could be fixed easily and was fixed, or it was just nothing. People just didn't like it. I don't know. I bought a refurbished 35mm lens a couple months ago, and it seems to work okay, But this is pretty cool. I've been looking at the Z6 Mark III for a while. Last year, this was last October or September. I was going to buy this camera. It was $2,500 then. And with tax and everything, it would have been close to $3,000. But luckily, I got lucky, and my friend Bob Hamilton sold me his Z9 for $3,000, which was an incredible camera. So this, I didn't, I waited. But I finally pulled the trigger because, I'm afraid of tariffs going up and everything. And I just don't, who knows what things are going to cost. And I've been rebuilding my personal kit this last bunch of months because I've been using company gear for 25 years now, and I don't know what direction I'm going in the future. Maybe freelance, I don't know, but I need my own cameras. And now I felt like it was the time to get them. So anyway, looking at it, there's like a little bit of little something. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a little bit of a smudge or something like that. But it looks pretty good. Looks pretty, no real things. Let's open up. I wanted the Z6 Mark III too, is because I want to start doing more video blog stuff like this. And I like this camera because it has the flippy screen. So I'll be able to look at myself. Like I'm using the back of my iPhone now with the not the main camera, and it's not the best camera. So this will really be cool. So I'll be able to frame my shots and see what I'm getting. Plus, this is supposed to be a really great camera. I mean, and it's lightweight. I've been using the Z6 original for a while now, and it's not a great camera. So I was glad when I got my Z9, but like this supposedly is like really, really a lot of improvement from what I've been reading and watching videos and stuff. I don't just jump into anything like, without looking into it a lot. And I wanted, I thought about getting a Z8, but the Z8 was like $4,000. And, it's got a bunch of Z9 technology in it, which is great. But we're coming along. They're going to be a replacement for the Z9 soon. So I didn't want to spend all that money on a Z8 if there was new tech coming out. So for like $1,800, I got this. You know, I won't mind down the line if something better comes out and I want to upgrade. It's not like I'm losing out on 4,000. Like even with my Z9, it was 3,000, which is still, you know, it's a fantastic camera. And I hope this really does well too. I'm going to put it through the paces and see. Thanks for watching my little video here, and be kind. Love you guys. Stay tuned for more Tales of the Photo Monkey. See ya.